Step into a world of pure satisfaction, where skilled hands transform simple materials into incredible creations. This is Amazing Skill Point, where every process is a masterpiece. Get ready to be amazed. In a small hut, far from big workshops, a skilled craftsman begins with a simple piece of wood. With patience and precision, he cuts, shapes, and smooths it down, turning it into something special. Step by step, he adds color and carefully decorates it, bringing the wood to life. What once was just a rough log is now a beautifully crafted toy sword for children. This is not just making a toy, it's creativity, skill, and passion transforming the simplest material into joy. In a small hut, far away from big factories and machines, a talented craftsman begins his work with the simplest materials. A plain piece of cardboard is carefully cut and shaped into a perfect round form. With precision, he adds a small wooden stick, giving it structure and strength. Then, using a piece of an empty cement bag and homemade glue, he wraps it around, making it durable and smooth. Slowly, the rough and ordinary materials begin to transform. Layer by layer, color is added, bringing life to the surface. Beautiful patterns and decorations follow, turning it into something truly eye-catching. What started as waste materials is now a vibrant toy drum, ready to bring joy to children. This is not just crafting, this is creativity, passion, and skill, turning the simplest things into something magical.
Hello.
In a small hut, in the middle of a simple field, a skilled craftsman begins with nothing but clay. He carefully shapes a small bowl, using half of a tennis ball to give it a perfect form. A thin bamboo stick is placed inside, building its structure. Then, he leaves it to dry for hours, letting nature do its work. Next, he takes a piece of cement paper, applies homemade glue, and carefully fixes it onto the clay, making it stronger. A bright red color is added, bringing the piece to life, but the process doesn't stop there. He cuts larger bamboo into small pieces and even uses an old rubber tube, slicing it into strips. With creativity, he binds the bamboo using the rubber, assembling each part step by step. Slowly, everything comes together. In the final stage, he carefully assembles and checks every detail. What started as simple clay and waste materials is now a beautifully crafted toy, ready to bring joy to children. This is more than just making a toy. It's pure skill, creativity, and dedication, truly worthy of appreciation. Have you ever wondered how a wrinkled shirt can look brand new again? At a simple dry cleaner shop, this man is skillfully pressing a light blue cotton shirt. Transforming it from heavily creased to perfectly smooth. Every wrinkle slowly disappears, and the fabric comes back to life, looking fresh and flawless. This isn't just ironing, it's a complete transformation where something old feels new again. Keep watching Amazing Skill Point for more satisfying processes like this.